How's it going, everyone? There's a helicopter flying over me right now. Probably picked a bad time to start recording. But how's it going, everyone? We are coming to you from a park that I've actually never been to before. That is Aquatica, the water park owned by SeaWorld Entertainment. The reason I am actually coming to you today is not just because, I wanted to kill a few hours. It's not because I feel the need to go to a water park, but it is actually because we've been invited out by the park to be part of their media event for the grand opening of TURI'S Kid Cove, the all-new family-friendly kid zone here at the park. Now, even though I may not be the target audience for such an area, I still wanted to come out, and I mean, this is a big deal for me. The first time that ParkTwister and the channel has ever been invited out to be part of the media is a huge stepping stone for the channel. And I mean, the fact that we were able to do that and also hit 1,000 subscribers all in the same week is amazing, and I cannot thank you guys for all of your support, because I cannot be here, I cannot be doing this without you. So thank you. It means the world to me. Now, we're supposed to be going in and checking in for the media event at around 9:45. It is 9:45 sharp right now, and then we will be admitted into the park at 10. So I believe it's going to be more than just covering the opening. They're also going to have like a special breakfast for us, from what I understand. So we're going to go and see what this fun-filled day has in store for us. Let's go on inside and take a look around. All right, we are all checked in now to Aquatica for the media event. This is really exciting. The park, I don't believe, opens to the general public until around 10:30. It is only going about 9:50 right now. I mean, this is quite the park for a water park. I mean, the fact that I've never been here is honestly amazing. Here's something I didn't expect. They actually have dolphins? I mean, I know this is basically a SeaWorld park, but the fact they have dolphins and a slide that goes underneath the dolphin habitat? Oh my god, this is amazing. Of course, no one's going to be going down the slides yet. The park is not officially open, but this is amazing. And so we found the new kids area, TURI'S Kid Cove. So over here they have some tables set up for us and some areas to go and get some breakfast. Let's take a look at what they have over here. So they have some muffins, some fruit, and then orange juice if you'd like it. If there's anything SeaWorld is good at, it's hospitality. Alright, and now that we have sat down for breakfast, it looks like the new kids area and the park as a whole is open for the day. So we're going to take a look around. I did not dress for the occasion. I really should have, knowing that this was going to be a water park. So I don't know if I'm going to, get into the water today. But let's take a look around and I will show you what this new kids area, TURI'S Kid Cove, is all about. Let's take a look around. Alright guys, now that is our little site overview of the all-new TURI'S Kid Cove here at Aquatica, Orlando. Honestly, this water park, or this kids area I should say, has a lot going for it. The slides are no joke as far as kid slides go. I thought they were going to be the little dinky, like, and they do have them, the little slow, little slope downs, you know, that are typical with kids areas in water parks. But they actually have some real slides that unfortunately I didn't get to try, but I could just tell on the look of the kids' faces that they are tons of fun. So definitely bring your little ones when you come out to Aquatica, because TURI'S Kid Cove right behind me. I had a blast just honestly taking you guys and my camera around with me through the area, showing everything and showing you around. It was a lot of fun. Definitely come out and check it out when here at Aquatica. Okay, and now of course, because this is my first ever time actually coming to this park, I do want to take a look around and see what kind of other slides they do have in the park. So we're gonna just walk around. I don't know if I'm going to get on any of them. This camera is not a GoPro, in case you were wondering, in case you couldn't already figure that out. So I will not be bringing you on any of the rides. I don't even know if that's allowed, but so I will not be taking you guys with me. I might have to throw my stuff into a locker if I do plan on going on anything. But if not, I'll just show you around anyways. Doesn't hurt. Let's just take a stroll through the park and go see what kind of rides they have here. I mean, this is Aquatica, a SeaWorld owned park, so you know they're gonna have great attractions. Now looking at the park directory, up here is where we are now, TURI'S Kid Cove. Well, we're actually standing right about here, and then all the way down here is where we came in. So we basically walked all along here just to get to here. So TURI'S Kid Cove is in the back of the park, but not to worry, it's not a huge park. I mean, it's a pretty good size as far as water parks go, but it took no time at all to get from the front to the back. Over here, we got the lazy river. And then over here, you got, looks like you got a big slide. Let's come over here and I'll show you that right now. This one looks insane, wow. And it looks like it is a mat ride. So you will be riding on a mat when you go down this one. Yeah, this one looks insane. And it looks like TURI'S Kid Cove actually is not the only kids area in this park. Over here we got Walkabout Waters, which has a bunch of like stairs and some family style slides to go down. Always love these type of kids areas in water parks. They don't seem to be open yet though. The sign over there says they open at 12. It's about 11:30. Now here we got some more serious slides. You know what? I definitely feel the need to soak in the sun and go on some of these rides. I mean, we were literally invited out here by the park, right? So it's only fitting to go on some of their rides. Especially a park that I've never been to before. So let's go toss my stuff into a locker and go on some of these slides. And I'll see you right after. And so everyone, that's gonna do it today from here at Aquatica. I don't know if you can tell with my hair, not my best look. I did go on to 2 of their slides after I tossed my stuff into a locker. I'm not gonna tell you the names of which slides I went on. Just know that one of them was the one that went underneath the dolphin tank, and the other was the mat racing ride. So whatever the names of those 2 slides are, take my word for it, those are what I went on, even though I don't have any footage to share with you guys. But yeah, Aquatica, this park has a lot going for it. Yeah, it's a little bit, you know, not quite the level of Disney, but still amazing for, like, you know, a more regional style water park. Definitely has that SeaWorld touch to it. And I loved, you know, seeing Mako and Kraken off in the distance as I walked up some of the water slides. The main event here today, at least for us, your kids are gonna love it. It made me so happy just seeing all of the smiles on all their faces. I did not really plan to get in the water with the camera, so unfortunately I don't have any like footage of me going down the little kid slide, which would have been just top tier content here on the channel, I'll tell you that, if I rode some of those slides. But your kids are gonna love it. Definitely come out and check out TURI'S Kid Cove when out here in Aquatica. And now, before wrapping up the video, I just have to give a huge thank you and a huge shout out to SeaWorld for inviting me out. I cannot tell you how much this meant to me, being invited out to the channel's first ever media event. I honestly, like, I was just at home one day checking my email, and then I opened it up and I was like, the SeaWorld PR team directly emailed me inviting me out to the event. That really made my entire year. Thank you to the entire SeaWorld team for recognizing us and bringing us out here today. But guys, that's gonna do it today from Aquatica and TURI'S Kid Cove. Of course, if you're new around, be sure to like and subscribe down below. A ton of great content on the way that you're not gonna wanna miss for anything. I'll see you in the next one, Twisters. Take care. See you around.